Philip, do you see the doggies? Is that what the doggy says? Philip, what animal is that? Is that a doggy?
Say dog.
What does a doggy say? Well, now I ask him. Of course, he's not going to say it.
Dog. Yeah.
And what does the doggy say? Good job, son.
Roar. Oh, you see those doggies?